It's me, Nathalie TV, and my little sister, Naomi TV, from BFTV. It's like in the front, and up here it says Lego City, and then here is a little helicopter with a man inside. And then this is the boy who is trying to catch the bad guy who is trying to go and get money. You can see right here. And then these are the cops. Look like on the back, and it has money and gold, and he has pictures. Here is the bag number 4. Here is bag number 2. Here's bag number 1. Here's bag number 3. One of the directions, stickers, the other direction, and the other directions. That's it. We're going to go build these. It'll take us quite a long time, but we're going to make it quick and try to do it quick, and we'll see you later. And so we are back, and we are going to show you all the things that came in the set. This is a police with handcuffs. This is a prisoner. This is a normal police, and this is a police with a walkie-talkie. It looks like on the back. The police car, and this is how you open it up, and you can sit where the police can do it, and this is the prisoner's car, and this is where the money goes, and this is where you put the prison. It sits on it. The cops plane, and it flies, but it doesn't fly that much, and it doesn't really fly. And this is how you open it up. This is where the part that sits, and this is where the anchor goes. Here, get it off, and here's the anchor. There. Yeah. And it says flies as you hold it. And this is where the guy sits. And you can do this if you want to, if you hold it. And it does fly. So, bye! This is fun, then buy it, or if you don't want it, then you shouldn't buy it. See you in the next video. Bye!